Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic. This beautiful touring rig just arrived with only 40,000 miles. Beautiful condition, red and black color scheme, Corbin seat, stage 2 performance package. This thing is gorgeous, and you can buy it for $89.99. That's insane. This bike is not going to be here long. Come on by and make your Harley Ultra Classic dreams come true for just $89.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.